the fascinating history and surprising facts about Valentine's Day. Hey there, lovebirds and lonely hearts. It's Valentine's Day, the day of romance, chocolates, and overpriced roses. But have you ever wondered where this holiday actually came from? Is it all about love? Or is there a darker side to February 14th? Stick around, because today we're diving into the fascinating history and surprising facts about Valentine's Day. Origins of Valentine's Day. Let's rewind to ancient Rome. Way before heart-shaped chocolates existed, Valentine's Day is said to have been inspired by the Feast of Lupercalia, a pagan festival held on February 15th. This wild event involved animal sacrifices, random matchmaking, and, well, let's just say it was more chaotic than romantic. But the name Valentine comes from Saint Valentine, a mysterious figure from the 3rd century. One popular legend says he was a priest who secretly performed marriages for soldiers forbidden to wed. He was eventually executed on February 14th, supposedly leaving behind a love letter signed, "From your Valentine." Romantic? Yes. Tragic? Also yes. How Valentine's Day evolved. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and Valentine's Day became associated with courtly love. Poets like Geoffrey Chaucer helped popularize the idea that February 14th was a day for lovers. By the 18th century, people in England were exchanging handwritten notes. And by the 19th century, boom, the first mass-produced Valentine's cards hit the market. Then, in the 20th century, the greeting card industry, chocolate makers, and florists saw an opportunity. Today, Valentine's Day is a billion-dollar holiday, with over 145 million cards exchanged each year. Surprising facts. Now, here are some mind-blowing Valentine's Day facts. Did you know that the first heart-shaped box of chocolates was created by Richard Cadbury in 1861? Yep, you can thank him for your sweet tooth cravings. In Japan, Valentine's Day works backwards. Women give chocolates to men, and a month later, on White Day, men return the favor. Pet lovers rejoice. Every year, millions of people buy Valentine's gifts for their pets. Because let's be real, who deserves love more than our furry friends? Valentine's Day today. Of course, not everyone celebrates Valentine's Day the traditional way. Some people embrace Galentine's Day, a day to celebrate friendships. Others protest the holiday as a consumerist trap. And let's not forget the singles who treat themselves to self-love and a night of binge-watching Netflix. So, whether you're head over heels in love, flying solo, or just here for the chocolate, Valentine's Day is whatever you make of it. Now, tell us in the comments, how do you celebrate Valentine's Day? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! See you in the next video.